Traders, Anthony here. I'm looking at this period here in time where the current price is in through, this is the London Open, this blue line, and then we got the Asia close over here. Okay, so we've traded down. I'm looking for a sell opportunity. What I've done is I've just gone back on the chart, 4 hour and 1 hour. I'll quickly show you that so that you can see, what I'm doing, what my plan of attack is. So what I've done, I've gone back and I've marked up some key points of interest. We've got this 1 hour, 4 hour distribution level through here, trades off, and then we've got this thin candle on the 4 hour time frame. So bearish imbalance in here. We've also got another thin candle through here. At some stage, I would expect the market to come back to these levels. When is the question? So 4 hour levels there. Early in the week, okay, so we've traveled down. I'm thinking we should see a fairly shallow pullback. We've got a lot of momentum bearish with this. So anyway, I've marked up this level back through here, this balance area through here is pretty important. And it's we can even mark this low. See this low here? We got a low through here, and then we got this red candle accumulation. Okay, this whole range in here prior to this this rally. I'm interested in that. So we've got from this line up to this 4H. Okay, so with that in mind, let's go down to the 1H, and we'll just work our way down. All right. So what I've done, I've got these things drawn up, and I think today I'm mainly interested in this cluster here. All right, and that's picking up this back here and this green candle there, as well as this green candle, right? And we've got this previous low and 1 hour imbalance. Okay, so I'm looking at this thin candle here, bit of a gap between left and right. So I'll just pull that through. Now, I'm looking at this from a point of view or from the perspective of smart money is always hunting liquidity and the market's always looking to rebalance, right? So here's an imbalance that would look to be resolved at some stage, this range here. And where is their liquidity currently resting? Right, well, we've got a ton of retail traders short here. Whoops, we've got this liquidity pool all through here, above this trend here, right, these candles. It's ripe for the picking. Now, smart money needs to tap into that with the amount of capital that they need to move around the markets, right? So it makes sense to me that this pulls back up into, from here, pulls back up into, possibly up in through here, and and then maybe, but where this rotates is the question, right? So I'm anticipating a retrace into here. They take out liquidity, right? A stop run, in other words, retrace, whatever you want to call it, but it's an attack on liquidity. That's what it is, right? And I think the key would be to watch it through this zone between where the current price is through to this orange line here. This is the Asia close. So I'm looking at this period. Well, in through here for my opportunity. So if this rotates somehow and we get this, what I'm going to be looking for then is this retrace to roll over and give me a trend, lower lows, lower highs, right? So this is trending down. We get a bit of a thing here and then that. So I'm going to be watching this through here, and I want to see that happen there. And then we get the New York Open later on. and hopefully we see a lower high New York Open. Now, if you don't want to trade it in the London Open this time frame, let's just see how it travels here, and then into the New York Open, what we want to see is a lower high. Right? Hope that all makes sense. Something like that. So there's the London Open, and then New York Open gives us a lower high. Right, so that's your other opportunity in here to get involved. Whether it plays out like that remains to be seen, but that's what I'm hoping will happen. And I mean, I've seen this time and time again. It's kind of price action. I did a video yesterday, and we went through some of this stuff, looking back on this this trend back over in here somewhere. Had this nice trend, and if you haven't watched it, watch yesterday's video, and you'll be up to speed on what I'm on about here. So that's what I'm anticipating. I want to see the retrace, guys, and then I'll look to get involved. And with that, make sure you click the link below, jump on board our free Telegram, check out the website, all that kind of thing. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And with that, have a great day and see you in the next one.